So here's a quick video showing you how to take out the engine management computer, or the ECU, out of Mercedes C-Class. To do any work on the computer, any of the electrical system, I'm just going to disconnect the battery. So on here, just disconnect the negative. So a little tab in underneath. Little tab on the top there. Just pull those both at the same time. So onto this plug. You've got like a bit of a grey locking pin on top. Pull that up like that, and then that comes off. I've got just a clip hold in it on here. You just pull that off. It's a metal like spring clip, just pushes down here and grabs it in place. So it's a bit hard to remove. Get that off and then I'll put it back in there for when I'm refitting. Same with this clip. Clip front and back. And then that's the ECU out of the car.